station master. He will be coming back towards the second water. There he is. He's at the Wade Equine Trading Post. Judy Hatfull has left the start. Right, Tom. Lauren Curry is in the water, is doing, we'll leave that to the jump judge. Lauren is through the first water, heading to the Palisade. Sam Felton. Ricka Ridge Divine Right. Judy Hatfull on her traditional colours of 4 white bandages. Judy's always ridden in the 4 white bandages. Right, Sam Felton, Ricka Ridge Divine Right. Big jump. Lauren Curry is through the second splash. Right, Sam. Over the triple brush. 4-3-2 has left the start. Lauren is over the Trakehner. Yeah. Solidio, Emily Forsyth has left the start. Right, Timely. Lauren Alexander is over the second to last. Timely.
We have 3 combinations left to go in the CIC 1 star. And in third place at the moment, we have Lauren Curry riding Rockdon Wildfire with a score of 49.6. And a lovely clear round from Lauren Curry riding Rockdon Wildfire. So the score remains at 49.6.
So in first place, the winner today, we have Danny Lotter riding Eon. In second place, Lauren Curry, Rockdon Wildfire. Third place, Calatoin and Scottish Lad. Fourth place, Alex Anderson, Gina V.T. Blumenhoff. Fifth place, Abby Thompson on Rocking It. Sixth place, Lauren Mathis on Charlton Explorer. Come forward, please, riders. In 7th place was Amanda Wards, riding South Dakota. And 8th place, Samantha Felton, Knock Raha. So congratulations to those riders. Samantha Felton on Nokaraha. 7th place, Amanda Ward, South Dakota. 6th place, Lauren Mathis, Charlton Explorer. 5th place, Abby Thompson on Rocking It. 4th place, Alex Anderson, Gina VT Blumenhoff. 3rd place, Calla Toyne on Scottish Lad. 2nd place, Lauren Curry, Rockdon Wildfire. And this year's winner of the Horselands CIC 1-star was Danny Lotta, riding Eon. Danny Lotta, riding Eon.